Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Today's recall is hot. I mean hot as in fire. Ford issued a recall earlier this month on June 2nd for their Lincoln MKC models from 2015 to 2019, and it's for a reason you might not expect. So if you own one of these, you may want to park it now, outdoors. That's right, these luxury SUVs have a tendency to spontaneously combust in the engine department. Ford found that the battery monitor sensor, which is under the hood, can get damaged during repairs of the vehicle's battery or other electrical parts. This can cause a short circuit and overheat everything around that sensor, potentially leading to a fire while the car is parked or even while driving. This issue is said to affect 142,522 vehicles. That's a lot of cars. Ford became aware of this issue back in March 23 after receiving 18 reports of engine fires. Now, what's shocking is that all of these fires happened when the vehicles were parked and the engine was turned off. Now, it's easy to say don't panic. I would panic, but Ford has a fix. They're going to be sending instructions to every single Ford and Lincoln dealer. Now, MKCs will have a fuse line added to the battery monitor to prevent future overheating. But if you've already paid for these repairs, Ford will reimburse you. Just make sure to get your receipts handled over. But you got to send them your receipts by November 30th of this year. If you've got an MKC but you can't park it outdoors, make sure you call your local Ford dealer or their customer service center for more assistance. They'll handle it for you. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to get all the latest updates on car recalls. I will see you in the next video. Stay safe.